Hey everybody, welcome back to Tool Tuesday. I'm Paul. Today we're going over our brushing machine, which we use to create our Shou Sugi Ban siding. Let's get brushing. This is our brushing machine. It is built by us, put together by us with some standard components. What we have here is a standard woodworking power feeder. We did kind of splurge on this one. This is a nice felder, and as you see, we don't take the best care of it. But it's basically gets kept in our storage container when we're not using it, so it does rust up, unfortunately. Not the end of the world, I suppose. And obviously it's very, very black and soot covered because we are brushing charcoal. It has an adjustable speed on it, which is really nice, so we can control how fast the wood's going through the machine. This lets us adjust the brushing level, which we're basically one brush or two brushes. So we don't actually adjust the speed too often. It's more of a single brush or a double brush, depending what the customer wants. Every single one of our orders so far has been a single brush, so we should be good to go on this one. We have some rollers, nothing too scientific. These are just from Princess Auto, bolted down to this box, basically made of steel, probably lying around. And we just have a wooden fence, and as always, our power feeder is slightly angled towards the wooden fence, so it is pulling pressure against it, keeping that board where we want. Once it goes through, we have a nylon brush, and I can lift this up. We can get right in here, get you the B-roll in real time. So you can see this is a nylon brush that we had fabricated for us. And then this is just a welded up frame, and it's bolted on there with some pillow block bearings. This, you know us, we like to repurpose things around here, reuse. This was actually a cover from one of my original drum sanders, Craft Tex. And we just have a standard inline fan on here, which blows away the ash. We do like leaving a bunch of time between when we do the burning to the brushing. You would not want to brush same day or even day after. It's nice to have maybe even half a week to a week, just really to ensure there's nothing that's going to be flammable in there, nothing hot and causing a fire. We do not want that. So we've waited almost a week now since we did the burning, so I think everything is good. We still have a pile of siding there. Wood's going to go through, the power feeder is going to control the speed, and then the wood's gonna come out on this side, and we just have kind of an extendable roller outfeed table, very simple. The trick is you need to follow up the board with another board or it's gonna stop running right here. So we do make sure to have a sacrifice board that if we're gonna not go through the whole order in one shot, we're able to run a board that we wanna keep and then run the sacrifice board after, because I stress this a lot. Just like in woodworking, when you're sanding and finishing, that is the final finish the customer is going to see and hopefully enjoy for years. This is going to be the very, very last step that we handle this material, and this will be the finish that gets seen by our customer. So I can't stress how important a smooth feed is through this machine, because any little hiccup with this, you'll leave a little line with the brush and it won't be an even finish. So we just try to create a most even finish as possible, and the power feeder really, really helps us do that. So we got the power feeder, we got the nylon brush, we got the inline fan. Last but not least, we have a motor that powers the brush. It's around this side. So very, very simple. It's actually on a hinge. It's just held by gravity down. We got a long belt, single V-belt, V-pulley to the shaft with the nylon brush to the motor. Lickety split, it's just like that.